So with our DC machine, we use our carbon brushes to deliver power to the machine or out of the machine, depending on whether we're using it as a motor or a generator. And that creates a carbon buildup on the commutator bars over time. And over time, that tends to build up on these commutator bars, and that excessive buildup can be a problem because that's going to decrease the efficiency of the machine. So every once in a while, as part of our maintenance, we will have to use one of these commutator cleaner, okay, and it's just a stone, see here, that we can use to clean off those commutators. So we can just take this and rub along the commutator, wipe that off, and you'll see that it removes that carbon buildup. Okay. So you can see here where I just did that, it's shinier than over here on this side. So that's how we clean the carbon off of the commutator bars. Another purpose for this stone is to help seat the brushes. So again, these are wearing down over time as they ride along this commutator, and sometimes they can wear on one side or one end, and then they don't make a good solid connection on the commutator. So we can use this to seat the brushes by smoothing out those edges where it's worn to get it back to where it makes a good connection. So we can use that for that purpose as well with the commutator stone. So that's how we clean the commutator bars and seat the brushes using that same stone for the DC machine.